Hello there, this is just a quick video to show that I can validate users input on whatever they give us. I'm gonna check it and see if it works. Alright, so what we want to avoid with this code is in the console. I want to avoid that it just prints out, well, not print, it gives us an error. When that error shows up, the console just crashes out and you can't do nothing else. So we want to avoid that with this code. Okay, by the way, this code, it took me like forever to make. It took me like 2 hours and some web browsing I make in the making. All right, so this is my function. It's called check input. What it does, it checks input. All right, it takes as a parameter answer. Over here, I have a try function which I crafted from Stack Overflow. Yeah, stackoverflow.com. Okay, so what this does is that it tries to do all this, but if for some reason the console crashes, I'm gonna accept the error. Alright, so it's just gonna go through this, and if it all goes well, it's just gonna return, print an integer. If it shows up with an error, that means that it's a string, not an integer, so it's just gonna print a string. Alright, so these two variables are nothing, they're just for my while loop over here. So in my while loop, I want to ask the user over and over again if he wants to keep going. So right here is my answer. My question is, give me something, I'll tell you what type it is. So I put it in an input. So I call my function check input, giving it the parameter answer. So what this is gonna do, it's just gonna either return an integer or a string. So over here, this is I'm already done. I just wanted to make this better. The redo variable is the condition for the while to keep going. If the redo is assigned to no, then the while is just gonna be over. Input, want to do it again? Check input. I call my function again on my redo variable. So if the redo is assigned to no, then it's just gonna say bye. So let's try it on the console. I have it here, Python validated.py. I press enter. Give me something. I'll tell you what type it is. 5. You gave me an integer. That's correct. 5 is an integer. Do you want to do it again? Yes. Give me something. I'll tell you what type it is. I'll give you hello. Oh crap. Yeah, hello. You gave me a string. Alright, so right now it's just waiting. So hello. Okay, it's a string. Do you want to do it again? No, we don't. No. Bye. That's all it printed out. Actually, in my function I don't return nothing because I didn't know what to return over here, since I don't have any values. But anyways, so this was my whole validate input validate code. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the video was short in good quality. That's pretty much it. This was Eric Reyes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.